Nope, start it over. Stop, start it over. I don't authorize you to use this content in my video. Welcome back to Flash Custom Designs. If you're new here, my name is Shelly. If not, welcome back. Welcome back. We have a retail store here in Cypress, Texas, FCD Vinyl and Apparel. We are the top distributors of DTF here in the United States and also in Canada. We are doing another virtual video today showing you the importance of a vector file. When you guys send in your images, you can have low resolution images, high resolution images. I want to show you the importance of having a high resolution image when you're printing DTF. So I'm going to go ahead and show you virtually what it looks like, how you can check for it, and how we can fix it. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. All right, let's get straight into the video. Today I'm showing you the importance of having a vectored file image versus not having a vector file image. If you are not familiar with that, it is having a very low resolution image versus having a very high resolution image when printing DTF sheets. Here at FCD Vinyl and Apparel, we need your image to be at the highest resolution. So when we print, it can print very clear, very crisp, very high quality on your garment. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. We are in Adobe Illustrator now. I went ahead and placed two items here. If you can see, this one is a non-vector. You can see this one is vector. Right now, we are zoomed out at 30%. Just because our sheets are so big, I just wanted you to kind of see that it doesn't look too much of a difference if you're looking at these images here. Like, oh, okay, these will both print really well. The way that we check if the image is a high quality image or not is we zoom into 300% so we can tell up close and personal what this image is looking like. So right now I'm going to go ahead and go down here to my percentage. Oops. And we're going to hit 300. Beautiful, sharp lines. This is our vector image. So when printing on our DTF sheets, this image will come out so crisp, so clean, so perfect. So let's go ahead and look at our non-vectored image. Oh man. So this is what that image looks like zoomed up. It is a very low quality, very low resolution image compared to our vector image. Let me go ahead and scoot this over so we can kind of get a comparison. Look at that. Sharp, sharp, very pixelated, very low quality. So these are the reasons that you need to have very high resolution images. And if you do send me an image like that, like this low resolution, and you're not able to convert that, that is completely fine. We are able to convert that for you for a $15 fee, and we can get your image looking like this nice, clean, sharp, high resolution image. So this is why it's very important. Let's go ahead and zoom back out. Like I said, kind of looks the same, but you never really know until you zoom in. But like I said, we can definitely help you. So thank you for watching this quick video, and we will keep you guys updated and keep you informed on more DTF videos. Again, if you have any questions, please contact me at fcdvinylandapparel.com, or you can email me directly at fcdvinylandapparel@gmail.com. And we can go ahead and get you started and see if your images needed to be vectored or if they're really high quality image. It just really depends. All right, well, we'll see you next time. Thanks, bye. All right, so that is it, step by step on how to check if your image is low resolution, high resolution, and how to check if it has been vectored. So if you need your image vectored, we do provide that service for $15 fee, depending on the image. If you are able to get that vectored yourself and send it over, that is fantastic as well. But if not, like I said, we do offer that service, and we can help you guys get the best high resolution image for your printing, to have the best transfers, to have the best merch out there in the streets. So please contact us if you have any questions.